Welcome back to the Himalayan Prospecting. Thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, new and old. I appreciate your time in watching my outlandish videos. Anyhow, I prefer to be outside. Today we're going to be covering iron pyrite. I found some boulders of pyrite yesterday when I was hiking in the mountains, and well, I'm crushing it up. I have a piece of steel here. I have a mortar. I'm using that as my pestle. Anyhow, pestle and a mortar, crushing it up. Not necessarily banging it because I don't want pieces to go everywhere. I'm just rolling. So let's see what we're working with here. This camera may or may not depict what is exactly going on. Let's see if we put it in the shade. Anyhow, the boulders of iron pyrite don't shine. Not until you break it open. So why am I crushing it up? Well, I would like to find out if there's any gold in it. Because if there is, then you can see some shiny stuff there. Anyhow, if there's gold in it, so let's say there's 25% gold in this particular iron pyrite. Iron does what? It rusts. So all the spots that have been exposed to the oxygen, the weather, moisture, have already rusted, and the parts that are freshly broken off obviously are not. This phone really is not doing justice for this particular material. Sorry about all the shakiness, however, I'm trying to get a good depiction of what is going on. More iron stain material. So it is iron pyrite, being their crystals that have been built on top of each other. And what happens sometimes is the gold is encompassed with either silver, literally, because silver and pyrite form together. So the silver will cover a piece of gold and you won't even know it's gold. So you have to crush it up, pan it out, and go from there. If you do find some gold in it, say the 25%, then you're going to look at about I don't know, let's say $1,500, $1,200 per ounce of this particular material. That is if it contains about 25% gold. Why am I doing this? Well, there's boulders of it. Okay, so if I go get 1,000 pounds of it, and that it's 25% gold, we're talking $102,000. You get a ton of it. Okay, there's approximately 73 ounces of gold in a ton. That's 2,100, 2,200 pounds, depending on how you're measuring it. Nonetheless, that's a lot of ounces. So you're going to end up with $204,000 worth of gold right now. Anyhow, I just figured I'd bring this information to you. I don't want to keep a dark secret. They say iron, pyrite, and gold go together. And not just iron pyrite, chalcopyrite, pyrite, different kinds of pyrite. There's so many different kinds. Some have gold, some don't. Well, we know gold is associated with iron staining. So why wouldn't we look for something that's already iron stained, the great indicator of heavy minerals, iron and such, being in that particular soil or rock? Well, once I get to panning it out, I'm going to crush up some more. Once I get to panning it out, I will show you what I end up with. I might even show you the process of panning it out, because this particular material will jump over to your tap when you're tapping on the pan. So it's going to look real heavy in your pan. And it's going to be a lot of dust, a lot of shiny dust. So wear a face mask, eye protection if you're going to be getting at this vigorously. Wind's blowing a little bit, so it's a great idea to have a mask on. You don't want to be breathing in this stuff. It's crystal powder. Most pyrite is a crystal, not to be mistaken with mica, which will flake apart or smear on something as you wipe it away or play with it in your fingers. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, wish me luck. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be making more. I get about 500, 600 views per video. Not very exciting. So if you can share it, that'd be great. Have a beautiful day. Be safe. Respect one another. Stay positive. Speak things into existence that are positive. And you can also do it negative, but we don't want negative in our lives. We want positive. So speak positive things into your life. These are my lessons of the day. Himalayan out. I will talk to you later.